Hi, and welcome to Tom Talks Shop. Today, I'm going to make a quick little video on how to make a card burnisher. We're also making a series of short videos on how to sharpen your card scrapers. But I couldn't find my burnisher, and I'm pretty sure it's out in the garden with a big wad of chips. And so I think it was time to make a new one. So actually the last couple of weeks I've been using, this was a chisel, and I was using it to sharpen it. It's about the right size and everything. So I converted it into a proper scraper burnisher. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any suggestions for videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you. Okay, right here I've got my donor chisel, and I think we got this with a bunch of tools at a garage sale a long time ago, and we've been using it to chop around nails. But I lost my burnisher some time ago now, and I imagine it's out in the garden somewhere buried with a bunch of chips, but that's probably what happened to it. And this chisel is just about the right size in my hand and everything for burnishing, but it lacks a slightly curved surface on top, which I'm going to carve out here. And this is still fairly sharp at the end, and I'm constantly cutting myself on it. So I'm going to get rid of this cutting edge down here. The bottom of this thing is nice and flat, and it's a very hard piece of metal, much harder than any of the scrapers I've got. So I'm going to just leave it the way it is, and I'm going to put a convex top on it just slightly and make those edges a little bit less severe. And then I'm going to just clean up the handle to make it a little bit more comfortable and get some of this paint off it so it doesn't look so bad. I should paint it yellow because I have a feeling the last one went out with a load of wood chips.
Tom begins by grinding off the sharp edge. And here you can see he has rounded it off quite a bit. And here he's taking off the sharp bevel of the chisel edges, the long edges that is. Tom can only do each section for a small amount of time, despite the fact that he is cooling the metal with snow, as you see there. And he doesn't want to overheat it because this metal is already perfectly tempered. So now he just goes back and forth between the sides and the edge to round it off to the amount that he wants to round it off to. At this point, he is going to start doing the bevel that he wants on that upper surface. And so not only did he grind off the original sharp bevels, but now he's going to round the entire blade off at the top to make this burnisher. Okay, the belt sanding grinding is done, and now it's time to get some of the old paint and debris off of the original handle and off of the blade and blade shank. And now for the final shaping of the handle. Tom now takes a piece of wet, dry, very fine sandpaper using oil to get all the scratch marks off from the belt sander. The final step is to strope the entire tool to make it all smooth and nice and shiny. So start with your coarsest rouge and then work down to your finest rouge. And be sure to watch our video on making this strope.